Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Nur Islam from Kishanganj, Bihar. I would like to talk about the importance of water.
Hey guys, my name is Shubhi Dikshit. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Now, I am standing. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Hi sir and hi my dear friends. A very nice good morning to you all. My name is Gandu Kumar and I am from Giridi, Jharkhand. Today's topic is importance of
I
water.
am from Wardha, state Maharashtra. My today's topic is importance of
Hi
water.
friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. I am from Bihar. So today I am going to tell you about importance of water.
Hi friends, this is Pony Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I am going to say about importance of water.
My name is Srishti Patel from Indore. Today topic is importance of water.
Hello friends, my name is Ashush Kumar Yadav. I am from UP Mo district. Today I am going to tell about the importance of water.
Hi everyone, good morning everybody, greeting to all of you. Thank you sir giving this chance to speak in front of camera. I am Sher Singh, I am from
My name is
Haryana.
Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. First of all sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Neswari Saw. I am from Kolina. My today topic is.
Hello guys, a very good morning. I am Deepak Kumar Modi from Giridi, Jharkhand. Firstly, I want to say thank you sir for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Raj Patel and I am from Chhatarpur.
Hello friends, my name is Tejasvi Dhruv. I am from Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. First of all, thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kanchedi.
गाइस वेलकम बैक टू मास्टर डिफरेंस फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आज के टॉपिक के बारे में। तो पहले आपको बता दूं कि जो मैंने कल टॉपिक दिया था वो था हमारा इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे वीडियोस भेजे हैं और मुझे अच्छा लगता है जो सारे लोग बनाते हैं। पर एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा दोस्तों कि मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता है बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ को एक साथ लेना। तो कई बच्चों के वीडियोस छूट जाते हैं और बेस्ट को मैं ले पाता हूं, ठीक है, ताकि सारे लोगों के पास बेस्ट जा सके। लेकिन उन लोगों का क्या, उन स्टूडेंट्स का क्या जिनके वीडियो सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पाते हैं। तो मुझे बुरा लगता है, आपको भी लगता है, क्योंकि आप मेहनत करते हैं। इसीलिए मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूं कि आगे जाके मैं क्या करने वाला हूं कि एक दिन छोड़कर जो है आपसे वीडियोज़ में बुलाऊँगा, मतलब एक टॉपिक दूंगा, फिर उसको जो है 2 दिन तक डालूंगा। मैं चाहता हूँ सारे बच्चों को मैं ले पाऊँ। तो 2 दिन तक वीडियोस डालेंगे उनके, और फिर जब सारे बच्चों के वीडियोस हो जाएंगे 2 वीडियोस में, उसके बाद हम जो है अगला टॉपिक देंगे। क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं सभी को मौका मिलना चाहिए अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म है। क्योंकि अगर मैं रोज़ आपको एक्टिविटी देता हूँ तो होता क्या है, 25, 30, 40, 50 वीडियोस आ जाते हैं मेरे पास। अब मेरे लिए मुश्किल होता है कि मैं किसको छोड़ूं किसको लूं, तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है। और जिनको नहीं ले पाता वो नाराज़ हो जाते हैं। इसीलिए उनके लिए भी मैं कुछ ना कुछ प्लान कर रहा हूं। लेकिन पहले आप मेरी मजबूरी को समझिए कि इतने सारे वीडियोज़ आते हैं तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं छांटना तो पड़ेगा। जैसे एक एग्ज़ाम होती है, एग्ज़ाम में 1 लाख लोग एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, लेकिन सिलेक्शन 500 लोगों का होता है। क्योंकि वो जो एग्ज़ाम ले रहा है उसकी भी मजबूरी है, वो सबको नहीं ले सकता, ठीक है। तो जो डिज़र्विंग होते हैं उन्हें तो हम मौका देंगे। जो अच्छा बोलता है उसको तो लेना ही पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो मेहनत कर रहा है। तो आप सब लोग भी बेटर के लिए मेहनत करिए। कभी ना कभी आपको भी मौका मिलता रहेगा। और मैं ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मैं किसी को बिल्कुल मौका नहीं देता हूँ, सभी को मौका मिलता है। एक ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म है और मैं कुछ बड़ा प्लान कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए कि सारे बच्चे एक साथ पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल मास्टर डी पर। तो उसके लिए मेरी प्लानिंग लगातार चल रही है, मैं लगातार रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, हमारी टीम काम कर रही है कि इंडिया के सारे बच्चों को मौका मिले अपनी बात रखने का, ठीक है दोस्तों। तो उसके लिए प्लान चल रहा है और थोड़ा सा इंतजार कीजिए। अब मैं आपको कल का टॉपिक बता देता हूं। आवर टुमारोज टॉपिक इज व्हाट इज माय गोल एंड व्हाट एम आई डूइंग फॉर माय गोल। मतलब टॉपिक ये है कि मेरा लक्ष्य क्या है और उसके लिए मैं क्या क्या कर रहा हूं। अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ माई गोल एंड व्हाट एम आई डूइंग टू अचीव माई गोल। मैं अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए क्या क्या गोल, क्या क्या एफर्ट्स लगा रहा हूँ। तो टॉपिक समझ में आया। पहले आपको अपना गोल बताना है कि आपको क्या बनना है, आप क्या करना चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में, और उसके लिए क्या क्या आप कर रहे हो। थोड़ा सा एक अच्छे से रेडी करना, प्रिपेयर करने के बाद जो है दोस्तों आप जो है अच्छे से बोलना उस पर, और आवाज़ का ध्यान रखना है। वॉइस जो है आपकी अच्छी होनी चाहिए और फिर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके आप बोलना, ठीक है। तो वॉइस अच्छी होनी चाहिए, कंटेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए, तभी आपको सिलेक्ट किया जाएगा। चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच
फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज राजीव शर्मा। आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर। सो यू ऑल नो दैट water is the most important for everything. Water is necessary for us to live. Without water we can't survive. About 70% of the earth's surface is water cover. We get water from rain, pond and rivers, wells and seas. Water is used for bathing, drinking, cooking agriculture, and generating. Water is very important in plant growth, and water is very use for us, so we should not waste water. So that's all. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Shubha Dikshit. I am from Vagat, Chhattisgarh. Now, I am standing. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Now, I am standing here to deliver you a topic of importance of water. We all know that water is most and necessary for our life. Without water, we cannot survive. Water is one of the essential resources on entire earth. Water is the basic need of every life from on earth. Water is necessary not only for survival but also healthy and happy life. Water is found on the earth in the form of lakes, rivers, ponds, seas, oceans, glaciers, etc. Almost 70% of area in the of our earth is covered with water.
Hi friends, this is Pony Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I am going to say about importance of water. So you all know that water is important for our life, because life is impossible without water. So we get water from many sources like river and rain and pond and groundwater. So we use water for drinking, cooking food and cleaning and many other purpose. Water is useful to grow plants and for agriculture, like to get food. And water also maintain our temperature, and nowadays people also made dams use water to generate electricity. And I have seen that many villagers are facing a big problem of drinking water. So that's why we do not waste water, and we should start saving water. Save water and it will save.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Nur Islam from Kishanganj, Bihar. I would like to talk about the importance of water. My dear friends, we all know that water is one of the most important substances on the earth. All human beings, all living things, plants and all types of animals must have water to survive. If there is no water, there would be no life on the earth. Apart from drinking it to survive, people have many other uses for water. These including cooking, washing their bodies, washing clothes, keeping house and communities clean, keeping plants alive in garden and park. Water is also essential for healthy growth of farm crops. It is used in the manufactures of many products, and it is also very useful for human body because water makes human body healthy and good.
Hi sir and hi my dear friends. A very nice good morning to you all. My name is Gandukmar and I am from Giredi, Jharkhand. Today's topic is importance of water. So now I am super excited to describe something about importance of water. So let's come to the topic. As you all know guys, that water is very necessary and very essential for our life. Without water we cannot survive our life. Like any living things, they cannot survive their life, like animals, birds, etc. And really water provide us energy, and water helps us a lot to keep our body fit and fine. And let me tell you the resources of water, like rivers, ponds, streams, well, etc. And mostly water is very important for the farmers, because farmers always do agriculture, and for doing agriculture they need water. So water is very important for them. And you know guys, in this day water is decreasing very fast because of increasing a lot of population in our India. And you know, people do not understand the value of water. They waste a lot of water to do a lot of things. You all know guys that all the things are possible to do through the water. Without water we cannot do any work. So water is very important in our life. Okay, so we must try to understand this thing. And in this incident, we all have a great responsibility to save our water, and we should waste our water as our desire, as our need. That is more important than other thing. So guys, I would like to request you all that you please save water, save life. So thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you all of you guys, and thank you sir for giving this golden opportunity. Bye.
Hello guys, my name is Ashush Kumar Yadav. I am from UP Mo district. Today I am going to tell about the importance of water. Thank you sir to giving me this chance to speak over here. Water is the one most essential resources entire on earth. Water is a basic needs for every life form on the earth. Water is a necessary but not only survival but also a healthy and happy life. Water is found in oceans, rivers and glaciers and seas and etc. Almost 70% of our earth is converted by a water, and water is important for domestic, industrial and agriculture purpose, and about 70% of human contains, so it is a primal but for the human race survive. We can live without food for some days, but we can't live without water. Water is required not for only humans but also plants and animals. We must use water usually, but also save water for future generation. Thank you sir to giving me this golden chance to speak over here. Thanks for watching my this video.
Hi guys, my name is Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. First of all, sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity. Today I am going to tell about importance of water. First of all, save water and save life. Water is very important in our life. Without water, we cannot imagine in our life. Water is one of the most important substance on earth. All plant and animal must have water to survive, and apart from drinking to survive, and people are uses of other work from water, and water made of tiny molecule, oxygen and hydrogen. Water exists of three forms: solid, liquid and gas. That's all about things. Importance of water in our life. Thanks for watching and listening me. Thank you.
Hello guys, a very good morning. I am Deepak Kumar Modi from Gredi, Jharkhand. Firstly, I want to say thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. And today's my topic is I want to tell about importance of water. Let's start my topic. Water is very important for everyone's life. Water is a compound. Water is the solution of hydrogen and oxygen. In water, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. About 21% of the earth's surface water is covered. We get water from ponds, wells, rain and etc. Rain is the main source of water. Water is used for cooking, bathing and etc. Water is also used for agriculture, industry and generating electricity. We should always drink pure and clean water. Water is important for plants growth. Water is very useful for all human beings. So we should not pollute water and we should not waste water. So water is our life. So we should always save our life and save our water. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for
My name is
listening.
Srishti Patel from Indore. Today topic is importance of water. Water is more important for us. We also know that 71% of Earth's surface only 29% water present in the earth. Water is one of the most important substances on earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no
My
life.
name is Neil Sorisau. I am from Korea. My today topic is importance of water. Water is a very important in our life. Water is a life. It is the best line we call. I don't know, but water is a very very important in our life. Our life is very usually and regularly cooked, bathing, and brush and anything usually our life.
Hello friends, my name is Tejasvi Dhruv. I am from Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today's topic is importance of water. Water is necessary for all living creatures on earth, from teeny insects to large blue whales. All of us need water for survival. Water is found on the earth in the form of rivers, oceans, seas, ponds, glaciers, and etc. Almost 17% area of our earth is covered by water, and water is important for our domestic, industrial, and agricultural purposes. About 17% of our body contains water, so it is vital for the human race to survive. And we can live without food for some days, but we cannot live without water. Many villages are facing a big problem of drinking water. Hence, we all must realize this problem and take efforts to save water. We all must use water only in the required quantity and avoid to wastage of water. Please save water.
My name is Raj Patel and I am from Chhatarpur, MP. And my today's topic is importance of water. Water is necessary for all living creatures on earth. All of us needs water for survival. Water is very essential for us.
Friends, I am Hapla from Wardha, state Maharashtra. My today's topic is importance of water. Today, I would like to speak a few words on an importance of water. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Water is necessary for all living creatures on earth, from tiny snakes to large blue whales. All of us need water for survival. Water is very essential for us. We can survive without food for a week, but without water we won't be survive.